Welcome back once again to my channel. Today I decided to redo my table, my coffee table that is. I had a little fur on it at first, but this is the fabric that I found and I decided to do it up. So again, this is my old beautiful table. Got rid of it because it gets dirty too fast. Like, I don't know what I was thinking with the light color, but anywho, decided to use this fabric, and what I'm going to do is cover it with a thin, well, no, it's kind of thick plastic covering. I also got both of these from Walmart. So I started off by laying that across, then I laid the plastic across it, and I just basically lined them up and left a little, probably about 4 inches on each side. Because of how my table was situated, I'm going to have to go and fold it over anyhow. So what I did was I started on the short ends, and preferably you work parallel. So basically I'm going to start on this short side, then go over to the other short side, and then when I start stapling down the other side, I'm going to do the long side and go back over to the other long side. That way my plastic and everything can fit pretty snug. And as you can see, I had to make a few adjustments, cut a little bit off, and yeah, I just basically went around the sides. As you can see, I folded, got it to where I wanted it. I want it to come right under the fur, not too far down on the wooden part, but I pretty much stapled it. I stapled it from the middle, and then I go out along the ends. This staple gun can be found at any hardware section in your area: Walmart, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, all of the wonderful stores. Had my staples from there, and this is really one of my favorite projects because it's pretty much easy. When I got to the corners, I was just like, oh my gosh, let me be creative. So what I did was I tucked them in and I turned them to the side. This is my own personal table. It looks good to me as long as I finish it the way I need. And the only thing about this, I had to be careful and staple it harder to be able to go through all the thick layers. And once I finished, I went on the inside and tightened up the table. And here it is, finished product. I hope you guys like it, enjoy. And I think the items that I created on the top, I'll be putting up a video of that soon. See you next time.